Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video, and as I have been promising, today I'm gonna do a video of a house tour. I'm gonna show you the house that I just moved in like almost 2 months now. And one of the reasons that I haven't been uploading so much is because, like I said, this is a new house and we still don't have internet. But yeah, hopefully this will be sorted soon, and yeah, today I'm gonna just show you the house. So let me just flip out the camera now. Okay, so here we are in the entrance hall. Let me just show in here. And here we go, we have our kitchen. It's really small, the kitchen, but for us it's just like perfect. We don't need anything much bigger than this. We have our dishwasher in here, just the oven, the fridge in here, and this is how the houses, all the houses that they have been built, they look like. It's the same like ours. If I'm just gonna open the door and just show you quickly. So we have a little garden, as you can see in here, and this is all the houses around. This is a completely new road. It's very quiet at the moment. And okay, so we show this one. We have a small bathroom in here, in the entrance. And here it is, myself again. And as you can see, this is just like a small storage room where we have like our shoes and things. This is almost nothing. We have our like living room. It's still everything is a little bit empty at the moment because, like I said, we just moved here very recently. And yeah, we still need to figure out a bit of the furniture and all these kind of things. Look, we have another garden in here, and look how nice the view it is. We have like a national park. It's called like Reddish Vale or something like this. And we have a small garden with a shed where we can put our bicycles in. We have a small tables in here. And yeah, I just feel like so happy to move to a place like this, because where we were living before in Manchester city centre, it was just like too crowded. There was just like rubbish everywhere. And now we are a bit outside of the city center, but it's so much quieter, so much nicer, clean and everything. So this was definitely like an improvement in my life. So yeah, and obviously I couldn't manage to do this without my wife, because we bought the house together. So let me just show you in here now, going upstairs. So when we go upstairs, let me just show in here my small room. This is kind of like my office where I'm just like working on my videos or anything else. So it's a quite small room. I still have some IKEA drawers in there to build, and yeah, that's it in here for myself. I don't need anything else. I have space for my desk, for my computer, for my chair, and basically this is where I'll be recording all my tutorials, live streams, and everything. Okay, so now we have in here this room, which is still a little bit of a mess at the moment because we still have a couple of boxes that we need to unpack. So yeah, pretty much we still don't know what we're gonna do with this room. But yeah, now in here we have another bathroom. This is like our main bathroom where we have just like the toilet. We have a shower in here and we have a bathtub. And finally, we have just like our room where we sleep. Here I am again, just saying hello. And again, we have a nice view. From here, we can see even better. We have a nice view of the park. It's really nice to see from here. And I can even show, look, this is our nice garden. And we have the shed in there. And look, there is a lot of other houses similar in here. It's really warm at the moment here in Manchester. So if you guys check in here, look, it's like 27 degrees Celsius. So it's really warm at the moment. Inside I'm trying to just keep things cold as I can, but yeah, that's it. I think I just show you like a little bit of the house. I'm not trying to brag or anything, like I said. I'm just trying to show you guys like really how I passed from like being a sandwich maker, that I was basically just like waking up every day at 3 in the morning going to make these sandwiches, and I was hating my life, to actually find a job in web development. I managed to travel a lot around the world: Brazil, China, Japan, Bali, Thailand, so many different places. I bought just now this new house. So yeah, basically this is just to show you guys like how web development really changed my life, and I'm really grateful that that this happened, and I'm just like trying to help all of you guys that you are or in a similar situation like I was before. And yeah, you just want to make it in life, and I just want to tell you that this is something that is really possible. You just have to put your head now that you can do it, because you can. If I could do it, I'm nothing special, believe me. And yeah, actually I wanted to mention as well that since now I have like a new job as a JavaScript developer. I don't know what can I say, working with React and with Node. I'm offering now React projects as well for my students. So if any of you guys are interested in becoming one of my students, where basically I just give you like a project for you to build, you guys have unlimited supported by email with me, and you have like usually like two hours phone call, video call, Skype call private with me, where you can basically ask me anything, any doubts that you have, how you can break in the industry, all these kind of things. You know, I'm just there for you guys. So if you are interested in becoming one of my students, just send me an email. And yeah, I think that's it, guys. I'm gonna be leaving to Portugal in 2 days or something. So I'm going on holidays. I'm gonna be in Porto. I'm gonna be in Viseu, like my city where I'm from. So I'm gonna see my parents, my sisters, my family, you know, my friends. And then I'm going to Algarve, which is like a region in the south of Portugal, really nice, with a nice beach. So I'm gonna try to vlog and just show you a little bit about my life, how I travel and everything. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this as well. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, make sure to give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel, yeah? So I'll see you... I don't know when I'm going to be able to upload, because I'm going to be away for 2 weeks, yeah? So I will try to do some kind of live streams with my phone while I'm at Portugal. So yeah, probably this will be my videos, but I'll try to vlog a little bit more. So if you don't see too many uploads for the next 2 weeks, that's my holidays. You already know why. So yeah, alright guys, so I hope you like this video and I'll catch you up in the next one.